as a one body and decide on the proposed candidates. So, hindi natin kaya, no? We will not have the time to.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
conduct an emergency meeting in the interest of time and all those names who would wish to manifest their interest to run as part of the slate. That will be appropriately, and I wish President Ruben Padilla take the matter with urgency so that discussion can ensure, like the nomination earlier, and probably who would like to nominate, so that you will conduct the meeting maybe tomorrow or tonight, or it deems proper, so that there will be order.
yes.
So that's how I...
Let me be very clear on this. Sabi nga ni ano pala, I'm sorry, I was late. I was not around maybe when these things were discussed. Na meron ng nominate. And these nominations were already validated by the maybe the selection large or restricted, whatever, but this has to be, there is a corresponding explanation. I would insist there is no need for us, kung may pera, and if you want to do it again, maybe, but time is running short. And besides, we cannot be very sure if you can get this kind of crowd again. But the senatorial slate of the PDP must be submitted to all PDP members. I would insist on that. So, padala natin doon sa chapter. And in the most honest way, they can conduct whatever method of voting that they will adopt. Then they will inform the national body that they have. Ilagay ko lang sa isang time is limited. So whether we like it or not, we have to walk over time. It must be voted by all PDP members of the entire Republic of the Philippines. I will insist on that. Otherwise, hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Kailangan talaga, each and everyone must have the support or the commitment from the body. Kaya magdaan talaga doon sa inyo. If we can do it this month with the limited time, okay sa akin. But all must vote. Yes. Tayong lahat na PDP members. Bahala na yung chairman dyan, how you do it, but get the most democratic way of getting persons into the slate as our candidates. Yan ang pinaka, talaga. Para walang, kailan dumaan sa lahat. We can start it next week or tomorrow maybe. We can take the
Yes.
We have the secretariat. We can ask the secretariat of the city government of Davao to the mayor to provide us the secretariat, and we can do it tomorrow para wala na delay. Natin bukas, sabi ni mayor, pwede na. But again, I said, itong pagpili ng must be in the most democratic way possible. Kailangan talaga abot yan sa inyo, tapos tanungin ninyo yung tao ninyo padala ninyo dito sa national. And then, the executive committee will all collate. Palagay ko naman, walang dayaan dyan. And we will come up with a party so that yung lahat ng tao na dyan sa slate ng PDP will have the support of everybody.